Hello everyone. Audible to everyone? If yes, then please reply. Yeah. Hey Ashal, how are you doing, man? Hey Ashal, how are you doing? Voice is not audible. Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Hi. Assignment complete? Interview complete? All of you guys? Anyone? Okay. What about others? Aji, Tech, Harshal, Humna. Assignment and interview done? Completed. That's great. Interviews also done? If anyone have any doubts, then please let me know. We'll wait 2 or 3 minutes more till other people will join. If anyone have any doubts, then please let me know. Yes, Umair, have any doubt? You can ask here or you can ask in the Discord channel as well. We'll wait last 1 minute, then we'll start. Submitted my interview, but still my status. Yeah, Umair, we are not able to get your report, so team is working on. Okay, so soon we'll update it. Okay, please don't mind. Okay, we are also trying very hard. Okay, to make the everything work smoothly. I am, yeah, the lot of the things that I am currently doing, so it's very much hectic. Okay, so I have to take the like sessions, I have to and analyze your reports, I have to cross check your assignments, your projects, your code quality, and apart from that I have to do the like marketing planning strategies, and I'm currently talking with a lot of the companies so that you will able to get a good job by our whole program. So currently they are the companies who are looking good Gen AI engineers, and they are the other out of India, like US based universities are there who are interested to take our curriculum into their colleges, and there are the few companies uh, who want that our student will be give the training on that particular platform. So all this going here and there, and yeah, so that's it. And sir, we need a detailed feedback. Yes, 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 we are working on it. Give us some time, give us some time. Okay, creating a detailed report for each student is not an easy, so give us some time. We will share it soon. Okay, so let's start. 5 minutes we wait. Let me share my screen, so let me know once it's visible to everyone. Is visible? Please reply. That's great. So now this is very important one. Okay, why it is important, I will tell you in a bit. Okay, yeah. Hey Farza, we just started. You came on the right time. So till now, what we studies, okay, and this is very important. This week, okay, this week is very important. Okay, we have to all have to just do our like focus here, 100%. Okay, so let's start it. So what actually happening? What actually happening? You have the LLM. Okay, 1 second. Something is breaking. Okay, so now you have LLM models. All LLM models train on the public data. So if you want to build your own Gen AI application, then how you will do? It's not possible because LLM models don't know about your data. Which data? Your company data, your personal data, okay, or your private data. Nothing. They only know public data, like about the Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg. But company is saying we need a solution or we need a chatbot. Okay, that chatbot will work on our data. Then how you will build? Building the LLM model from the scratch, next to impossible for us, not for others, for us, because that needs lot of data, lot of computation power, okay, and lot of money, which is like not have everyone have. There are very few people in the world that have the lot of the money. So that's why there's a few limitations. Yes, Feza, there are some limitations of LLM models, and due to which RAG has been come into the market, retrieval argument generation, that into come into the market. Okay, so I will zoom it little more. Okay, so okay, so now what we are saying, that we will give our data. Okay, we will give the our data to the model. Okay, and model will start, LLM model, LLM API, whatever that you are using, start knowing about you. So that is known as the context. Okay, if we will give the context of myself or any data, so in that case what will happen? In that case, the LLM model start giving the answer based on the context. So this is how it works. Then how I will give you? So there is a proper pipeline. So you can see on the screen, data sources is there, but chatbots are also trained without using RAG. So what is the difference between RAG? No. Training is very expensive. That's the limitation of LLM models. Training with the lot of data and doing the training, it's very expensive. You cannot afford, and not any companies afford it. Okay, so that's why they are using RAG. I will give you the proper example how it is easy, how next level easy it is. Please with me. Okay, and data sources is there, so you can see on the screen FAQ database, customer support, product document. There are a lot of the database are there. Then we will do the basic data pre-processing and like cleaning, structure, formatting, single like convert to the single format. So all these kind of things that we will do. After that, what we will do, we will do the splitting and chunking. Okay, so this is how that we are doing. And after that we will put everything into the database, which is vector db. I will come into the that what is vector db, but try to understand. We are taking the whole data, converting into the different converting into from different format to the single format. After that we are splitting into and chunking. Splitting and chunking is very mandatory. Okay, just keep in mind for now, splitting and chunking is very mandatory. Okay, to make sure that you have the proper chunks of the data that will help in the later part where I will explain you. And vector db, so vector db is a very basic database, okay, where we are storing our documents, okay, in the vector format. Okay, vector means array format with the help of the embedding model. So embedding model is nothing. Embedding model is a model which convert your data into the numbers. That's known as the embedding model. And there are a lot of the embedding models are available in the market. You have to choose based on your use case. I will tell you that list of the embedding model as well once it will done. So you have to give the embedding model, which embedding model that you have to use, and your splitted or chunked data, and with the combination of this two, that particular data will be go into the vector db, and that known as the knowledge base. So this is the where that we are creating the knowledge base. Okay, different kinds of the data we took, we clean it, we chunk it, we give the embedding model. After that we put into the vector db. Okay, so here the only vector db will be useful because we need the data into the numbers, and when you are just splitting into, when you are converting into with the help of the embedding model, we should only have to use a vector db. So this is how the knowledge base will create. Once your knowledge base will be created, then what will happen, let me open that image as well, give me a bit. So this is how it will work. Okay, so user will do the query. Okay, and your query or user's query will go into the knowledge base. Now on the basis of the query, like take a example that I give the data of myself. Okay, everything about the myself I've given in the knowledge base. Okay, I have the PDF document, everything I have, and I just convert it into the splitting and just do all the knowledge base related stuff and put into the knowledge base. Where is knowledge base? Vector db. Okay, now I just asking it, uh, what is the family background of Deepak Chawla? So what will happen? It will search in the whole knowledge base and give me the particular context which is similar to the particular query that has been asked. I am repeating again. It will search and give the similarity search, cosine similarity search in the whole knowledge base, and give you the particular knowledge base, of that particular chunk, and that have the context and highest similar score with your asked query. And what will happen then, that particular chunk will go to the AI engine, and your LLM model is already there, and you have given your prompt as well. On the combination of all these three things, you will get the output. So this is how it will work. Why I am focusing here on this one? Because if you will able to understand these two images, I bet you no one can stop you to get a good job. No one can stop you. So that's why I'm keep on repeating the things to you can able to understand it. you will get the user query. User query go into the the whole warehouse of the data, and the relevance of that query similarity search will get a chunk. I will give that chunk LLM model prompt template to my AI engine, and on the basis of their understanding it will give me the output. So this is the whole architecture of RAG. Okay, now we'll do live. Okay, we'll do live. How? I will tell you. Let me share that as well. Okay, bear with me. In next few minutes your all questions will be sorted out. Got it? It's visible. ChatGPT is visible to everyone. Please reply. Please reply. Just give any thumbs up, emojis, reaction. Yes. Thank you, Nandada. Thank you so much. So let's start. Okay. So who are you? Let's start like this. Currently the model don't have the basic understanding. Okay, have only the basic understanding, including intent classification. Since you oh wait, that have only the this cohort information. So let's do temp chat. Who are you? So let's start. Hi, who are you? Okay, I am chat gpt. Okay, uh do you know who is Deepak Chawla? Okay, it's searching the web. See, the surveiller Deepak Chawla has been caught. Okay, let's see. I think this is mine one. Okay, let's forget it. So, not able to give the answer of this one. What is his family background? I couldn't find the specific detailed information about the family background. Blah 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 blah. This is how it's work. Now, what we will do? I will give the basic details about me. Okay, so I have a document where I have my basic details. Like that one. Okay, so that will help. So this is background, this is education. Okay, current scenario. mm, yeah, this is it's much background and career and education. This is now I will give the prompt. You are a chatbot who will give the answer based on the given context and information, nothing else. If user will ask you anything apart from your context and info, reply with I don't know, sorry, here is the context. Doing now only. Who are you? See, something went wrong. Just remove this one. Okay, so this is a basic detail I given now. Okay, so this is all that I given: career, education and background. Okay, now do you know who is Deepak Chawla? See, based on the provided context, this is all details. Where he lived, See, according to the context. Now what will happen here, I didn't do any kind of the fine tuning, model training, nothing. What I did, I just give my data and the basic prompt, and now the LLM model able to give the answer. Why? Because this is the power of the LLM model. If you will able to give the proper context, then you will able to get your like required answer. When he won. See, getting my point? So this is the right. That's why the people are not putting their head, energy, and money in the field of the uh, fine tuning and training on their own model. There's no need of it. There's no need of it doing all this stuff. Now if I will open the code, okay, so this is a like LLM, this is a week 2 code demo that I give you the promise to everyone that we are going to do the code today. So let's start. So here I am using Grok. Everyone know about the Grok? If anyone don't know, please tell me. Okay, I think most of the people know about the Grok. So Grok is the fastest inference platform which is providing you the most of the LLM models that you can use it. Okay, and I personally suggest to everyone use Grok because it's free. The free credit is there. You can use the other like kind of platform as well, like Grok is there, any scale is there, okay, and replicate is there, okay, and together is there. So this all the platform that you can use, that's free of cost, and again that will provide all the LLM models. Okay, now why all the open source LLM model, why I'm just giving you the insist to just go on their own, all provide their own APIs. Yes, they all are providing their own API, open source model based API. You will not get the ChatGPT API. Okay, yeah, free credits are there, so you don't have to rely yourself on the ChatGPT. And nowadays companies are also moving their stuff from ChatGPT to the open source LLM models. So that's why I insist to everyone that they have to use open source models, okay, in the your practice as well as in your project submission. Got it? Now I started with the Grok. This is my key. Okay, I will show you that key has been loaded, so you can see. So the key here you can see and such, key is match. Now I will give something like this. This is my prompt template. Okay, you are a chatbot who will give answer on user query. Okay, user query whatever he asked, something like this. Okay, and whatever, let's remove you are a chatbot who give answer on uh, let's do industry here. This is a variable. I will tell you what is variable here. You are a chatbot who will who have understanding of field and and mm, honor name, honor, and your and you have developed by. Okay, so what will happen, we'll see. This is a prompt template from LangChain. Prompt template, there is a proper prompt template is available. I will define a string. Okay, I will define a string here. You are a chatbot who have the understanding of industry, particular industry name that we will give field, and you are developed by the owner name. Okay, that's it. Now if I'll run it, okay, Now what will happen? I will give the data here. So variable industry and owner name is here. So industry will be you can say transport, and here like anyone that you can take Elon Musk. Okay, got it. So you are a chatbot who have the understanding of transport field, and you are developed by Elon Musk. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I will remove this one and slash n. So there is no slash n will be there. So this is how it will go to the LLM. Okay, when the LLM is going to be when we are going to send this one the prompt variable, so it will send something like this. Now we have chain. I will explain what is the chain. This is a grok function is there. Chat grok API. We already have the grok API. Model name llama 3 that we are using. You can do the 70B as well, 8B, whatever that you want to. That's totally up to us. List is already given on the grok. I will give you the that as well. So this is a grok, this is a models. Go on the documentation, give on the models, so you can have a look that every model is available here, so you can use whatever the model that you want to use it. So this is how it's work, and you can go on the billing. See, free, low let limits are there, but it's free. Okay, so you can go and use it without using line, without paying anything. Like you have to pay in the case of the chat gpt, but here you don't have to pay anything. You have to go directly use it. And if like anyone getting any issues, then you can just share the issue in the discord, will help it out. Okay, so this is API model name. Now I define, this is very important folks, this is very important. This is chat grok. Okay, and here you can uh, import any model, like together AI is there, chat gpt is there. So that's why it will not work when you are using the API or the API of the open AI, API of the together AI. No, it will not work. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Okay, so let me open the LLM LangChain chat models. See, so this is a chat models. Okay, they are the all chat models are available on the LangChain. Okay, and if people who don't know about the LangChain, LangChain is a AI framework which have the capability to do all the steps that we need to build a Gen AI application or Gen AI solution. Okay, so we have Chat, Anthropic, Mistral, Fireworks, Azure, Chat, OpenAI. Together, I told you, Worktest AI by Google, Google Generative AI, Grok, Coherence, Bedrock by Google, Hugging Face, NVIDIA, Olama, Llama Cap, AI 21, Upstack, Databricks. All models are there that you can use easily, and we are using chat grok. So I click on it, and you will see that structure is this is the grok API key, and you have to use chat grok. If we are using together, I will go here, then together API key, and you will get chat together and give the model name which is available on the together API. Okay, together platform. So this is how it's works. So you have to make the changes accordingly. Got it? So this is how it's work. What will happen? I define a object. This is my class, and where I have been given all these parameters. This is my class, or you can say the construction as well, and the object is there. Now I give this object to the LLM chain and prompt. Where is my prompt? Here is my prompt. See, and prompt is given LLM model. Which LLM model I am going to use? Which is grok. Which prompt I am going to use, define it here. And after that I will create a chain means step by step you are doing all the things. Okay, so chain I will tell you. Where is my image? So currently we have the prompt. Here is the prompt, LLM model we have. Okay, and this is the chain where we are giving everything. So whenever we are hitting any query, so it will go into the this and get this. I will come into that direction as well and output as that we are looking for. Okay. Yeah, I will explain 1 second, don't worry. Okay, I will give the one more time. Okay, so chain is the kind of the particular class or the function where we have to call llm, prompt, memory and retrieval. Currently we are taking only the two, llm and prompt, to see how the things will work. So industry, I will change the variable name, owner name, okay, and what industry? Transport industry. Okay, so tell me, so industry will be the transport, so I will give the transport here. Okay, and I will give the Elon Musk. So this is chain 1. Oh, chain 1 not defined, sorry, I forget to run it. So chain 1 done, chain 1, I give this one. Now this is how that it's work, you can able to see. So text, I am thrilled to chatbot developed by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk will focus on the transport industry, blah blah blah. So this is how the things will work. Now if you will change here, okay, you define your prompt template. Getting my point? This is a your template that you have been defined. Now if you want to change like information technology, okay, information technology, and instead of this Ratan Tata sir, see, so how the things has been changed. Getting my point? Because you have created dynamic prompt. Now your prompt have the ability which can give the answer dynamically on the basis of the user. If user are looking for the not looking only for the particular one, looking for the different kind of the like results, so in that case you can do the IT here and the owner name. Okay, now uh, this is another one example that I will share so you can look into it. This is a few short learning example that we talk about. So this is the examples: word happy, okay, tall, sad, short. So this is my examples. So this is my again prompt template. This is my template. This is my word. Now the template has been given here. Now we have, okay, we have the examples. Now there is one template available in the LangChain itself. Okay, see, from LangChain, import prompt template as well as few short prompt template. In that we will give the examples. So this is my example prompt. Example prompt template is there. Prefix, I given the prefix, suffix, input variable and separator. So this is all the things that I given. It's not defined. Oh, I didn't run this. Yeah, so this done. Now I will give only the big, so you will see how the things will work. What will happen whenever I call this prompt? Okay, the word happy, sad, tall, short. So this is my few short learning. Okay, that's why I told you in the first week that you have to focus here, because we will going to do everything in the code, but you have to understand the fundamentals. Okay, so this is my few short. I will change it or I will increase it. See how the things will change. Happy, tall, happy, sad, tall, short. What else that we can use? High, low. Okay, so let's run it and see. See, one more is there. Got it? Now what I will ask, I give the LLM. Where is the LLM defined? LLM has been defined, this one. So LLM has been defined. Okay, now few short prompt defined here. Now I will ask, what is my input? Big. Give me the answer, small. What else that we can use? ABC. Let's see what will the answer. See, this is the beauty of the LLM models. Getting my point? Got it? Now this is a basic things. Now let's talk about the documents. Okay, we all okay. Then character splitter that we talk about. Vector DB, I talk about vector DB. So Chroma is an open source. Vector DB I is like prefer to use in the field of that when you are on the practice. But when you are going to the company will ask you which LLM model that you have to ask, which model that we have to work, and which vector DB we have to work. So on the basis of their requirement, their like their time period, their use case, how much money they want to spend, after all the parameters you will take the decision. So that's how it is. Okay, conventional retrieval chain is there. Now I have a particular this one. Just ignore this code for now. I will run this one and I will put, I think, yeah, I have to put my resume here. Okay, so my resume is available. Now what I will do, see, I will break it down. Okay, so we'll do, see here, now I am loading my data. Okay, I load my data. Now I am load and split. So I am loading as well as I am splitting. The load and split is already function is given. I have to just run it on the loader and I will get the document. Now how many document that I get? Let's see. So see 7 documents. Now I have the data. I load and split it. I count it, the number of documents as well as the character. Now I will see what are available in the document 0. So see, document 0 is available skills. See, skills are available. Okay, got it. Now if I will see 2, see, okay, so this is document 2. So my whole PDF has been divided, okay, in the 7 documents automatically. I don't have to do anything. It will done by the load and split. I told you basic cleaning will do, that's totally depend on us. After that, splitter, I told you, let me open this one so that will give you the sense. Okay, share this one. So data sources, okay, take an example here, take a hypothetical condition here. Pre-processing has been done already. Now I am splitting and chunking. Okay, this is the third step. Okay, so I will go back to the code and this is my splitting. Okay, now this is again the character text splitter. There is one more splitting method that I am applying to chunk it. Okay, so chunk size, I will tell you the chunk size. What is the size of chunk that you want to be create? Take an example, you have this character. Okay, so how many character you need in a particular chunk? 10 character, okay, 100 character, okay, 500 character. It's totally depend on you. This is one. Second, chunk overlap. Chunk overlap means the first chunk and the second chunk, how many characters are going to be overlap. So 10 words, sorry, 10 characters, okay, or 30 characters, something like this you have to define here. And there is a no fixed number. I am telling you, there is a no fixed number is available in the whole world of the Gen AI. It is always be vary. It is always be vary. What is the chunk size that you have to do and what is the chunk overlap. And this is not the only one function which is available for text splitter. There are a lot of the functions are available that will study on Wednesday. Okay. Yeah. Umair, there are a lot of the other are there. Again, this is the whole class is to understand the mechanism how the things work in the RAG. You can use character, you can use word, there's a lot of recursive is there, sentiment is there, context is there, intent classification based character is there. So there's a lot of things are there. Okay, so just focus for now how the things work in this one. Okay, and then we'll see every use case have the different kind of the text splitter are useful. Not every character text splitter is perfect for everyone. Okay, so that's why focus currently to understand how the things are working. Okay, now I use the splitter. I told you in the image. Okay, after that I put it this, just run it this. So how many documents? 7 documents are there. So that's why it will split into the proper 7 document. Okay, I will see again if you want to see. Okay, now we'll talk about this one. So I will say this is not document, this is knowledge base. Now this is my knowledge base. Just say, so knowledge base. Now my knowledge base is, no, this is not my knowledge base, sorry, my bad. This is a document only. Okay, because currently I already in the step of this one. I am till now here. I don't want here. I didn't went till here. So that's why let's start now about the embedding. Now I will use the embedding of Hugging Face, OpenAI. There are a lot of the Hugging Face related things are there. Got it? So you have to use the Hugging Face. I am using Hugging Face. Less embedding model is there. Proper embedding model is there. I know there are a lot of the questions are going to come into after this one. I'm happy to answer you, but have to understand this one. You all have to understand this one. Okay, that's very mandatory. Okay, so this embedding model, this is a chroma. We need a chroma. Now see, chroma from documents. So see, I will show you the image. Here two parameters, documents and embedding. Embedding is this one. Okay, the model name. Documents are the my data and giving to the chroma. So I will show you in the image as well. See, this is my vector DB. Okay, this is my embedding and this is my data. Just forget this one. Run on batch and sync on data update. I am just directly putting this one and this one. Okay, two things that we needed. Okay, so here I use the two things, documents and embedding, and vector store done. Now this is my knowledge base. Getting my point? So I will rename it. This is my knowledge base. Knowledge base store. Just make it knowledge base. Now this is my knowledge base. I tried to print it if possible. I don't know. Let's print it. Yeah, see, vector store and this one. Now our first image has been done. I will repeat again. We took the data, my resume. We split it using character text splitter. Okay, there are a lot of other splitter are there. Then we use the embedding model of Hugging Face. There are the other Hugging Face models are there. I'm totally agree. But now we have to understand the process. Then we use the vector DB of the chroma. Okay, there are a lot of other vector DBs are there, but we have to focus to understand it. And on the vector DB, this is very mandatory. You have to tell your function which embedding model you have to use to convert your data into the vector DB. Got it? So this is the model that I'm going to use, Hugging Face, and this is my data. And like this, I created my knowledge base. So first image, convert into the code, everything. Got it? Till now, if anyone, oh, there's a lot of, are we splitting 2 times or what is the difference between previous load splitter? Okay. Load and split in the words while splitter's character was, yes, Feza is right. Good Feza. Farza. Yeah. So this is all about it is. Sir, did OpenAI embedding needs API? Yes. Anything related to the OpenAI needs the API. So that's why I'm telling just go and use the open source. Anyone have any doubt? Feel free to shoot. Happy to answer. Anyone have any doubts? No doubts. I'm very much happy to see that I am explaining the things very nicely that no one have no doubts. Sir, why we use 1 second? Sir, why we use local storage like Chroma? Why do we use the cloud storage? I told you there are a lot of things are available. You can use anything. Whenever you are going into the company, that totally depends on the use case that you are going to use. Here we have to understand that how the things are working. The reason you are splitting on characters because you have to use the output for embedding. Got it? So there are a lot of options are there are a lot of things are there, everything is there. You have to just focus to understand how the things are working, which is one of the most important thing for me. Got it? Let's start the next part, which is again very much going to be interesting. Okay, now we'll work on knowledge base as a retriever, and we will give search type similarity, that you have to apply the similarity formula and give me the top two search k parameters. Okay, sorry, retriever has been defined. Got it? Now convolutional retrieval chain is particularly available in the LangChain, and you have to define your LLM and retriever, and you are ready to go. Now this code, this where is this code, I will give you in the image. So this is done. Now I have this one, AI chain LLM model. I will show you. Okay, this is LLM model. Then okay, this is retrieval. I given. Okay, retriever has been given. Now I have to give my caution and this, like, an LLM have prompt again. Okay, I will show you. LLM have prompt already available. See, LLM here we given the, oh wait, no, prompt is not given. We'll give in the next one. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so LLM retriever, you can give the prompt as well. Okay, that we can give easily. Here there is a prompt, you can give the prompt, but for now we will keep it simple, QA. Now I will remove the chat history part. For now we are not focusing over there. So we'll apply what is the mention in the given document. This is a query and this is a QA. Okay, so I will say AI engine. Okay, this is my AI engine and I am asking to the AI engine. Okay, so this is my query. This is my query, and no need to just directly run it. So caution and this one. Oh, chat history is important. Okay, let's do it. We'll don't pass anything, but we'll give the chat history for ease of the things. So let's see what is the given in the, I will remove this as well so you will able to understand it. Okay, see, caution, chat history is nothing, answer. The given documents appears to the resume or CV of the individual Deepak Chawla who claims to expertise in blah 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 blah. So this is has been this. Now see, on the basis of the document, on the basis of the query, LLM model get only the top two search results on the basis of the similarity. Getting my point? And we get the output. Now we'll ask, okay, we'll ask what are the skills mentioned in the doc. Yeah, I will share everything, don't worry. So there are the skills mentioned. See, everything is mentioned here. If you want to see something like this, then results, then results, answer C. So this is all given. This is all skills has been given. So this is how the things will work. Okay, now chat history. Chat history means whatever the questions that you are asking. Okay, whatever the questions that you are asking, I am appending to the LLM model. Okay, see here. This is a memory component. Memory, LLM, prompt, retriever, everything is there. So what will happen? Your model should able to know. Your model should able to know what has been asked. Why? I will tell you. And this is an interview question. Okay, this is an interview question. Uh, just tell me before going to ahead, why we are passing every time chat history. Can anyone give me the answer? Why we are passing? What is the need of it? Guys, think. It is a very good interview question. Okay, no issue. I will tell. So every, okay, 2, 3. Every LM model API call is stateless. What is the meaning of stateless? Anyone? No, not for maintaining the record, not for context window. No, because every API call of the LLM model, whatever the LLM models available in the whole world, is stateless. What is the meaning of stateless? Anyone know? Okay, I will tell you. So meaning of the stateless means your model, whenever you are calling it, so these are models know the context and relate to the history to the answer. Okay, that's what that the same way that I am saying. But what is the meaning of stateless? So stateless meaning whenever you are hitting a API, and whenever we are saying logic this particular logic or the API is based on the approach of the stateless. That means that particular system is not maintaining any state of the user request. This is the definition of stateless, where request of the user is not maintaining at the server side. So this is what the meaning of the stateless. That's why whenever we are calling an API, we have to always send everything that we are talking. Okay, because LLM model not maintaining your API is user request data on their own end. Okay, so this is about stateless. As in cache, no, nowhere they are not maintaining, no maintaining, nothing. Every call is a different call. Every call. Got it? So that's why we have to keep our history in the context itself. Okay, so this is how the things will work. Now AI engine is there. Let's see AI engine. So I will ask here now one more question. Okay, and see how the things will work. what i what I asked you so far, please let me know. See, you haven't asked me anything yet. The conversation just started. See, this is a proof that every call is a stateless call. I asked the two questions, I hit the API, but your LLM model is not remembering you. Getting my point? Your LLM model is not remembering you. So that's the issue. Now what will happen? I will do one thing. What I will do? I will append query answer chat history. So I will do something like this. This is this, and after that chat history. Okay, chat history dot append. Yeah, I think this one is the code that I'm looking. So whenever I will run the question, okay, so run something like this. Question 1, chat history. Okay, now I will run one more time. Query has been changed. Now again I will not define this one more time. This already defined, otherwise it will make it empty. Then again do it. So that's not we want. Okay, so what are the skill in the document and what is mentioned in the given document? This is a second question. Now I will ask this question. Okay, this what I ask you so far, let me know. Now we'll see again what I ask you so far. You didn't ask me so far. Wait, something went wrong. Give me a bit. Sir, how we use a chat GPT? Can we use chat GPT? It maintain, no, it maintain at their application site. Chat GPT is the application. You are using the GPT models. Okay, so you cannot use the chat GPT API. All we are using GPT models API. Okay, chat GPT is an application which is built on the chat GPT. Do not keep the history of the past. Okay, so here is not putting the history of the past. Why? Let me have a look on it. Okay, so this is a history, this is a result. Let me search. Wait, something went wrong. So I will ask. So answer is nothing. Wait, let me rephrase my question. I think there is something. Chat history. Oh, chat history is there. Chat history, and I forget to mention in LLM engine. Okay, uh, 1 second. Let me search on the Google. I think I forget something. Chat history. No, it is right. I think I have to rephrase my question. Okay. So what's the question? Do not keep the history of the past to add the memory of the past chat. Yes, chat GPT is not we are going to use, so that's why. So give me the list of the questions which I asked so far. I think we have to define that as well, then only we will able to get it. This is my assumption. Yeah, I think we have to define the proper prompt, then only we will able to do it. So prompt is not there, so that's why we are missing it. So let's do the prompt template here. Okay, let's set the prompt template. That's why, because there is no prompt is there, that's why the things are going wrong. I forget to add the prompt. LLM is there, retrieval is there, source, and 1 second. Sorry guys, my bad. Yeah, this is conversational buffer memory. No, chat conversation memory is equal to memory. Chat history, chat template. Okay, QA prompt, chat prompt template from message. Yeah, here it is. sorry. Yeah. So here, please answer the user question, context, chat history. Okay. And okay, now we have the prompt template, memory, and everything. Then we will able to get the result. Okay, so let's try to run this. System prompt. Okay. My laptop is hitting too much today. Okay, there has been changed the conversational retrieval chain template. That's why the things are not working. That has been deprecated. Okay, so I will update the code and share with you all guys, so that will much better approach. Okay, because the particular thing has been deprecated, so I have to look into what is the best way, so then only yeah, so that has been deprecated. Okay, yeah, so this is all about it is for today. If now anyone have any questions, please go ahead. So I know you have to reiterate whatever that we have been studied and understand. I will share everything. Okay, I will share everything. You have a look on it on the repeated times, and then the things will be work. Got it? Anyone have any doubts? Please go ahead. Anyone? No doubts. That's great. So let's finish this session here. I will share the all resources. Okay, and see you. Bye. Take care. Yes, sir. We'll take the questions after doing through the documents and video again, and they're happy to answer. And I am seeing one thing that I want to share with everyone. Okay, give me a bit. So that will very good thing. Okay, so that will giving the motivation to my team, my whole team, and I will tell you. Okay, I will give you the number, so that will give you all. Oh, that's number increase again. Okay, give me a bit. So how many week one submission we received? So we received 20 submission of week one project. That's very good. Clapping for all. And out of that, we have how many has been completed the interview? 9 is here already, and 9, 10, 11, and 12. 𝗔𝗚 is already done, I think. Yeah, 𝗔𝗚 and 𝗵𝘁𝗔 is done. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 20 are done their first week assignment. Out of 20, 13 has been completed the interview. That's very good. That's very good. Submitting the interview short. 14 is Narendra. So that's very good. If we will go like this, then we already shared our leaderboard with the all the companies, and soon we are going to add the more things, so they will able to know about you. Got it? So this is how the things are going. Okay, and I'm pretty much confident that you all are going to be changed the like your whole life with the help of the Gen AI, and whatever that we are doing is for everyone here. So that's all for today. Bye, take care, good night, sabba care. Bye then, take care.